Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Beauty Week, so I thought that I would show you my skincare routine. There's a hair in my face. Because I haven't done a skincare routine video in like 2 years on my main channel, and I think I've pretty much changed everything since then. So I thought that I would just show you what I do. I try not to use too many products because I think using too much is probably quite bad for your skin, but I also just want to use products that work. So I found that these really work for me and my skin. I don't really know what skin type I have. I think it's quite sensitive, spot prone. I'm not really sure on the whole dryness thing. Sorry. So the first thing I do is remove my makeup, or if I'm not wearing makeup I still do this step just to sort of like wash my face. So I use the Garnier Micellar or Micellar, I don't really know how you say it. I always say micellar, but I think you might pronounce it micellar. It is this cleansing water and it's made to remove makeup, and basically it's just very refreshing. You just put it on a cotton pad, rub it on your face and it takes your makeup off, and it's really nice. I really like it. It's not heavy on your skin or anything like that, so it's nice. There's also another one, which is the green one, which is for combination and sensitive skin. This one just says for sensitive skin. I don't really notice the difference when I use them, but yeah, doesn't really matter which one I get, to be honest, but it's a really good product and it's a lot cheaper than some other cleansing waters out there. I think there's a Bioderma one that's a bit more expensive, but this one's good and it lasts me ages. So if I'm wearing a bit more makeup, so basically if I'm wearing like foundation, or you know, for school I don't wear makeup so I don't do this step, but I like to go over it again just to make sure there's no excess left on there. So I will use a simple makeup wipe, or if I'm feeling extremely lazy or I just have a bit of makeup on, I'll just use one of these anyway. But the micellar water is quite a quick thing to do, so that doesn't usually happen. But I just use some simple facial wipes. I've used these for ages and they're really good. For some reason I have 3 different types. So I have the regular ones, I have these oil balancing ones, and I also have some micellar cleansing water ones. I don't really know what the difference is, but I just have them all there. I have an abundance of makeup wipes basically, and then I literally just have 2 more products. As I said, I like to keep it quite simple. So I use the Clean and Clear Advantage Scrub. I love this, it works really well. It's lasted me ages. I'm pretty sure I've had this like almost a year and I use it every day, and I still have quite a bit left. It's probably running out now, I have a new one. But this is just really good. It washes your face but it also exfoliates it, but it's not harsh on the skin. And it's really nice, and it does work to get rid of spots, because I had quite a few on my forehead here and I'd not been using this for like a couple of days because I was feeling really lazy, but then I used it again and they went away, or they've reduced, so it is really good. My skin's been a lot better since I've started using this. If you look at my videos from like a year ago, or even just like middle of last year, my skin was really bad, but it's improved a lot since then, so I think this is probably a contributing factor. And finally I use the moisturiser from the same range, and this just helps to moisturise my skin and it works really well with the other things. So yeah, so that is my skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this will be helpful, because if you have skin like mine then maybe some of those products might help, especially the Clean and Clear ones, and they're not that expensive either. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Collab channel, and if you're confused about what's going on with the channel, why I'm uploading on a Thursday now, Go back to last week's video and read the description, because I forgot to mention it in the video, but the description kind of explains it all. Or if you've been watching the other girls, then they sort of explained it a bit better than I did in their videos, so you can go check those out. And I will see you next Thursday. Bye.